Hey Jace, it's Papa. I'm standing out here at the hole that we dug not too long ago. I'm working on it and I just wanted to let you know what I was doing. Here's that hole we dug. It's got a few leaves down in there, but not really too bad. All right, I've got some concrete right here. I'm gonna put that in the hole. Okay Jace, I've cleaned all the leaves out of there. You can see there's just one little old leaf down in there now. And also I bought a few things. I bought this pole, and see I've put a hole right up at the very top, and then a hole right down there, if you can see it. Okay, there's going to be two rods that go through there, and you'll understand it a little bit later. Okay, Jace, I've got my hose around my shoulder here, and I'm going to take this hose all the way down here because I got to put that concrete in there. It's dry powder, and then I'll have to mix it up a little bit. You'll see here in a minute. Hey Jace, here's that little feeder I made that we left over here. I noticed this morning the little birds are coming. See, it's about half empty. See there, it was full whenever you left. They've been eating it. They just come and sit, especially on this side. Then they pick it, and then they throw some of it out on the ground, and then they just fly right back into those bushes over there. And man, there's just tons of them. So when I get these others up, there's going to be a lot of birds. All right, Jace, here's our concrete down here. It's dry, so I'm just going to cut it with this right here across the top, and then I'm going to pour it in there. See, I got the pole standing in there. We're going to straighten it up, put the concrete around it. Okay, so here we go. Let's see how that works. Okay, Jace, get down here and show him. Here. See this stuff here? It's just powder, concrete. But when you put water on it, it turns to concrete. See how nice that is? So I'm just putting it all in there, around it, so it'll harden up whenever I put some water on it. Okay, Jace, what I'm doing now is I'm gonna put some water in this hole here. See all this, showing that picture down there. See all that stuff that's in there? And so now I gotta put water to it, okay? So you put a little water like that, then you use this to make it go all the way down to the bottom. Pretty much. Add a little more. Just kind of stir it up. See, there's still some dry in there. Okay, Jace, now, see we got the concrete in there, and it's harder to move the thing now. That's the way we want it. Eventually all that water will go down into the concrete down there, okay? Now, see this little thing here, Jace? Bring it in close. See those bubbles right there? That's called a level. When that bubble is right in the middle, it means your thing is where it needs to be. See, I'm way off here. So, no, I'm not. Actually, I'm looking at the one up here. See right there? It's right in the middle, pretty much. Yeah. That means my pole is straight up and down. It's not leaning. I come up here though, it's leaning. Push it back just a little. There, that's where I want it straight, is up high. See how I'm trying to get that bubble right in the middle, Jace? Okay now, Jace, I do the same thing on this side. See that little bubble right there, up here? It's gotta be right in between those two black marks. And it means it's leaning back the pole's leaning this way, so I gotta bring it back the other way. Do this number. There, that's better. See, the bubble's kind of in the middle now. Now, I can back off and look at it. It looks pretty straight. Let me check it here. Probably needs to go that way just a little. Okay. Checking the bubble again. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good pretty well anywhere I put it. This little bubble's pretty well in the middle. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go out here and just look at it and see what it looks like with a good old eyeball. Okay. Okay, Jace, about done now. I'm gonna shovel this dirt that you shoveled out. I'm gonna put it back in there, and then it's gonna look real good. Okay. So here we go. got concrete. It's not dry yet, but it'll dry underneath there. So putting dirt back in on top of it. See there? Cleaning up our mess, a little pile of dirt there. And makes it look real good when you get done all piled up like that, because it'll probably settle a little bit when it rains. So there you go. There we have it.
You showed him the holes? Did you show him the holes you're doing?
Yeah, I showed him the holes.
Okay.
Now all we gotta do is let that dry, that concrete. It'll probably take it at least one day maybe. And then I'm gonna put these rods in here, and then the stuff will hang down from either side, okay? So it's gonna look pretty good, I think. There you have it, Jace. I wish you were here, you could have helped me. Here's what's gonna happen. See, there's a hole there and there's a hole here. So this one's gonna go in like that. See that? This one's gonna go in like this. So we're gonna have 4 bird feeders, and that's kind of the way it's gonna look. They can come and feed from any angle. I'm not gonna put them in right now. I'm letting this dry. So I guess that's about it.